Ready?
Yes. Oh my gosh, see?
Do you guys want to play on Christopher Switch?
Yes! Let's do it! Wait, put it on my TV. Dude!
No, stop.
I have,
Chase! Chase!
when he comes back, I'm gonna get a new game, which is gonna be so fun. If I get an Xbox. You know why? Because have you ever heard of Rocket League?
Rocket, yeah.
That's so fun.
I know.
Do you have it?
Yes.
Wait, when it comes to your house, let's play it, okay?
Wait, you're
Let's-
coming to the house? To my house?
No, like if when it's summer, I'm gonna come to your house,
Hold on. Wait.
and then we can play Rocket.
That is very uncomfortable.
Yes, it is. You just have to get under the covers.
Because I thought it was going to be an air bed.
It is an air mattress.
I meant like a bed. Like
Like that bit.
Yeah, this is just like your other air mattress. Except this one is taller, so it's better.
but it feels worse.
You're gonna be fine, trust me, you're gonna pass out.
Look,
Oh
look.
wow, you've got a lot of different ones.
Yep.
Pokemon Snap, Shield,
I also have Smash Brothers.
Nintendo, Sword, Sonic.
Ow.
Fun! You have a
Hey!
lot of fun.
This game is really fun. You get to race. But it's only
He's got Sonic Mania,
Mario Kart.
Mario Kart 8, Star Wars, Mario Odyssey,
Hey,
and
Matthew?
Minecraft is in here.
Or Minecraft.
Can I stand on your bed?
Yeah, sure. If you want to sleep there, you can.
And you'll sleep on the air mattress? No jumping on this bed though.
Well, like, I'm gonna actually try to sneak and sleep with him, like, next to him. In the
Oh, let me
night.
get a picture of you guys.
Okay.
With Pikachu?
Sure.
Pikachu!
And the other Pokemon. Him.
Smile. Ah! Careful, careful.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Set. Cheese! Wait.
Aw. Whoa.
Why? Wait. What about me?
Alright, stand up and smile.
Yay!
Don't step on there because that bends.
Then why can't he can?
Because I can balance it.
But don't step on there.
Because I'm very good at balancing.
You're a lot bigger than he is.
Yeah, and I'm very good at
I
balancing.
don't want you to break his bed.
3, 2, 1.
And you can't jump on here either. It's an air mattress and it'll pop.
Move. I'm going to try to
No
fall
jumping on
it.
here.
Fall on it.
Ready? Set.
Fall.
I tried to get a couple.
Oh.
Chase.
Could you put it on? I don't.
Oh.
Do you want to play the last 8?
No, thank you.
What do you want to play?
I don't know.
I have an idea.
I think you guys can play Minecraft together. That's in here right now.
You want to play Minecraft?
No.
What do you want to play on your Nintendo Switch?
Mm-mm.
I don't think it's plugged in.
Look, watch this.
Don't jump on me.
I want to jump on you. Wait, where's the ladder? Because I can, guess what? I can jump from the ladder from the top and I can jump over here.
Wait, why do I recognize this so much? Hey, Mom. Why do I recognize this bed so much?
Because we were here.
It kind of looks like my old car bed.
Hey, want to hear a scary song?
Yeah. Let me guess. A spooky, scary skeletons. Blah 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 blah.
Where's your charger? The charger for the Switch is missing. Oh, your mom said she had it charging, right?
The Super Marios. Whee!
How can you turn this thing on?
Spooky, scary skeletons.
some balance on it the most.
Mommy said no, so no.
No, like stand on. Flip.
Mommy said
Solid lava. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
I'm very good.
4, 3, 2,
1.
0. Don't kick me in the head.
It wasn't even.
We have to remember to take your charger from here. Okay?
Oh!
You gotta be careful. Yeah, this is.
Oh!
Take a deep breath. And breathe in.
I can't.
Yeah, stop. That's the only way you're gonna get it to go away. Now deeper.
Do you feel better?
Be very gentle when you guys are playing. Okay, Christopher, don't forget, this is the charger to your Switch,
I
okay?
heard my bottle. Or a bottle.
It's all the way downstairs in the basement.
What?
My bottle?
In the fridge in the basement, yeah. Your milk bottle.
Bring that, please.
Hmm?
Bring that, please.
Go, you can go get it.
I'll stay here. Doing some dancers.
You need the charger.